Guys, I dey blush at the same time, so please pardon me. They call me Cheche Smith, but it's such an honor to get the legend herself from the building on the spotlight. I get with me, Asha.
Hey, hello. Good evening.
Hey!
Good afternoon, my people.
Oh my
How
goodness!
na day?
We did fine. We did fine. Welcome on the spotlight. Yeah. So, in the course of my career, this is not the first time where I get the honor to talk to you on the show, and it's such a pleasant one. Thank you for making out time. Say you day here today.
Thank you.
Yes. So I say I don't know how you they do and so you
Yes.
there in your own lane and you get the numbers any single time where you release the song. Every one of us get nothing, but we must listen. And we know they ever say, okay, say no, we're not gonna listen or something like that. But the numbers still there, they continue to they increase. Waiting be this one where you they do. Somebody go say, how you they do how? We continue to the mission and then you drop the song, boom, and it goes, every single person jump inside them. How you they keep us? How? Waiting be that magic where you they do. Please tell us with the listen.
Well, me I the write song. After I write them, me I put them for the hands of God and for the hands of the people. How I go talk
Yes.
Me I dey always always thank God because one day the song no exist, then one moment it exists.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, a miracle. And when I write the song like that, me I don't know if people go like them or not. But when I put them out, they react, and so far with Odo, they don't react super positively. And so me, I just dey thank God. Honestly, I don't get any magic where I dey do. I just thank God.
Okay. We also when they listen over here, when they see other people, they feel like say, oh, if I not release song this month or I not release this year, the people feel forget me. You know they ever feel like that, say because the last album 2022, that's the V album. We'll go talk about that album, right? Now, they ever feel like that, say if you not release song in a long time, so the people feel no remember or not feel talk about you or they don't feel miss you because majority of Nigerian artists they feel like that every other day. Tell me what you they do not to feel like that.
Well, for my ordinary life, me, I don't like when people know me or notice me. I don't even want to make them see me self, you see. So I know say if I don't get anything to offer, me I no need to come out, you know. I don't want to do music where come from the heart.
Yeah.
Because I know say my people go here, they go no, you see. But ordinarily, from my own life, me I don't like me person notice me. I know they like them because I want free to mix with people, to hear, to and I saw I did write my song. If I go out and people don't know me, I feel mix well, you see, and I feel hear waiting they talk. I feel put on for my music. A lot of my songs are from conversations where they hear.
Wow.
You see.
Okay.
So for me, I mean I know say people go there, people go stay. If the work is good, they go stay.
Oh,
honestly.
if the work they go stay. I love that one. Now, before we talk about Odo, yeah, so many people they feel like okay, yeah, Valentine is here, it's very close. Tell me, this song get any relation with that because it's Odo, and we understand they get to do with love. you target the right time. Tell me, is it about love now? And are you?
And I love, and I also target the month of love, February.
Okay.
It's not gonna make sense. I mean, although we work any time of the year.
Yes.
Or don't know be only song about romance, not song about friendship, not song about family, or anybody where you how do you say you share or one share great moment with. Some people they long for good real friendship. You see, to make friends they easy. To make friends they hard, but to make enemies they quick, So to find quality friends they hard. So I don't know get time, get place, get get date. In a song where go there in perpetuity. So, but honestly speaking, me I dey think say February go be nice to bring this song out. If we bring them out for Christmas, it go make sense because all the "I wish you a Merry Christmas" and Mariah Carey song will just overshadow them. That's why we say we'll bring them for February.
All right, awesome, and I love it. So many people already they send messages on WhatsApp. Maybe I go try to go through them. Sorry, guys, you know go feel reach me on WhatsApp now. So maybe I go give you the time to just call to say hello, or strictly on the phone lines, or you tweet at us. Go on X and drop your question to Asha, or you just want to say hello. Yes. So make we go. I must go back to 2022. The V album. Yes. I want to talk about them. Tell me the inspiration where they behind that album. That album gets so many songs. First of all, you get any favorite song for the V album? You get anyone where they're very personal to you?
Let me see. I like Nike. I like Nike.
Mm-hmm.
No, I mean, nobody say happened to me personally, but I like the song because whenever the song they play, I always remember where I did when I write them. I like IDG too, you know. Again, the same thing. I do remember where I write them, how the song starts from just nothing to something big. I mean, this is not the wonder of writing, songwriting, you know.
Yeah.
I like Love Me or Give Me Red Wine. I mean, I like it. Every time where they listen, they always dance. I say, oh, I like this Asha album. I think this is my favorite album, you see.
Wow.
So,
and then the fifth studio album, right? Now the fifth album be that. The fifth studio album, yes. Don't worry, we saw plenty of us be your fans. They follow, they mark you well. We they mark you. But make I talk about so many collaborations on that album. Tell me how easy it be to get all those people. First of all, I also want to talk about P Primes. Tell me, what it be like to work with P Primes? I see most people know they like work with people who don't understand their energy. But for you to be able to work with this, tell me the story where they are. I know there's a story around working with P Prime. Tell us.
People are now genius. When we begin the work together, I think say be 18 years that time. He come my house with Fireboy. Me and Fireboy won't do songs, so he bring this guy over, and then you know, they okay, no problem. And so he can't forget in keyboard from my house. And then I can't say, man, there's something about that boy. He's young and he didn't play keyboard. He's wicked, you know. How can we find him to at least get him back here? But maybe give him in keyboard now. So now my manager find him on Instagram, call him back, and then we just start to the freestyle, just play. You know, we go just turn on the record and we go play songs. Song will reach 10 minutes. We just the jam. I said, yes, this is good. Back to, you know, the musicianship life. So now, so we just start to the work. I mean, after COVID, me, I come house. I say I don't want to stay France during the COVID. My tour then they stopped. They stopped us mid. Yes. So I say, me, I don't want to stay in Boland when during this COVID. Me, I come back home, you know. And so as I come back home now for the first time, I've started to meet artists, you know, really talented artists. I've been meet a lot of people, you know. It'd be like say I open my house, you know, for them to come and for me to meet them, and so we fish share. So I meet with incredible people like world producers like Fields, you know, people just they come, and as they come, they always do something together. Awesome. And before I know, the album they form himself. You know, I know cut out to say me I want to do album. I just say I want to feel. You know, I'm home. I'm home. I need to. You know, I want to put home for my music. Awesome. I don't stay on the road for long. I don't stay away from house for too long. So may I come back, may I bring house. And that's how the album came together.
I love how you mentioned beautiful album, and then for 2 years we've been waiting, and boom, February, Odo shows up. And I love, I love how you've been mentioning home, home, home. Make I ask you, Asha, where be your favorite place in the world? Where actually?
No place be like Lagos. Lagos na number one for me. Nigeria, na number one for me.
For real?
You know, I know if we go out in a year and not come to Nigeria. I must stay at least 3 months at home. 3 months, 4 months. I must come back. Maybe that's something where they inside the weather, not this weather. People I say we get plenty
maybe
dust,
not the water but
no problem. That there's something, home is so important. The ground person.
Wow.
And I like the spirit, the Nigerian spirit. If you find them elsewhere. Maybe if you find them for America, but the spirit here, that positive spirit, that blind confidence.
Yes.
Wow, if you find them elsewhere, we they need them every time, no matter where me I did for this world. I need to come back home.
Awesome. Lagos today on the spotlight, and of course you are listening to me from different parts of the world right now. Wazobia FM live in Lagos. So many messages don't come in here. All your friends from different parts of the world sending messages here as they listen to us. So I go take our time to read out some more, and then we'll go back to a brief chat before we let you go, because we know they're easy to even get you get to have you on a day like this. I know you get so many other things to do. All right. So listen to some of the messages. All right, yes. Cheche, good afternoon. I love this interview, and she's so vibrant. Oh, Wazobia, God bless you guys for bringing Asha. This message they come from Oshodi. Okay, Cheche here, she mentioned say she loved Nigeria, is the best place for her. Asha, you watch the Nigerian game?
No, I know watch them, but I hear all the celebrations and all that.
The balls.
I know they watch football. I know they watch.
You know they watch football. Wetin be? You get any other sport where they watch?
Maybe occasionally the Olympics, but I know they watch. I don't think carry hypertension. Can't kill myself. But I did root for our guys. I did root for Nigeria, definitely.
Awesome. You mean you have Asha on your show? I'm so excited, guys. Thank you so much. Asha, please tell her to freestyle for us. Cheche, make she sing, show you off. Because with the sister, she gets so many musical instruments behind her. Okay, so glad to join her. Cheche, please ask Asha, say Wetin be her favorite Nigerian food. All of us are sending questions, so we return back to where we're coming from. Asha, okay, Sagas ask you, they say Wetin be your favorite Nigerian food?
It gets for me it depends on the day. On Sunday, I'll go with pounded yam or amala. And pounded yam and egusi, or amala and ewedu and gbegiri. Yes, but the following days of the week I'll just eat vegetables and maybe porridge. That's all.
All right. So what we talk about now, although the video for Odo don't come out, your fans won't know whether the video don't come out or just the audio for Odo.
It don't come out. Yeah. They go check my YouTube page. It don't come out.
All right. So all of you, when they ask me question, it don't come out already. Go on top her YouTube page. Go check out the video for Odo. Now, make we talk about going forward.
Asha Official.
Okay. Asha Official, yes, on YouTube. Please go there and make you go check out the video. All right. Yeah. Also, I could talk about coming projects, things where you get on ground to work, the Nigerian music scene. First of all, I'd also like to hear from you. Wetin, you see the Grammys unfold, you see Nigerians and everything what happen around the Grammys. Make I hear directly from you, Asha. Being some of the frontliners, people where be said that they set the foundation, and then they look up to people like you. Tell me actually what you really feel and how it be for you to see the Nigerian music scene now being recognized around the world and looking at Wetin play out during the Grammys.
I mean, where we don't reach now, is a good thing. And also a good thing say Grammy, they recognize artists from Nigeria as well as other African countries. It's a good thing. Unfortunately, I don't watch the award, but me, I hear say a lot of Nigerians they nominated, and I was super happy because a few years from ago, they know they even look our side. They're not even play our music for radio. If not be some kind of music, world music, music where they pander to Oimbo people, this kind of music where they like see you, they carry calabash, they wear cowrie and all those kind of things. But now our artists, male and female, they're bringing it on, and I mean, man, not even separate myself. We're bringing it on.
You guys, they're forefront. People like you,
and representing, so that good thing. I think it can only get better from here. Honestly, it can only get better from now, from here on.
All right. Yeah. All right. And now moving forward on top Nigeria, you say you they come most of the time. You love Nigeria, you love Lagos, and then you get to spend time. Mike could talk about the projects where we say you get on ground now. Are we expecting another album soon, or we just get to get singles unfolding from time to time? Waiting be the plan, just a teaser, because I know say as you day now. Yeah. I don't know where you there in the world right now, but I know say anytime where you there, you continue to the work and all that. So tell me, what's in the plans? Waiting we go look out for?
Look out for an album this year. But before the album, I'm gonna go put out a single. So, but the main aim now, the album.
Okay, the main
eventually.
Aim now album. You they hear? Yeah. So wait. Ask her the exact date for this album. Hey.
No date for now. I know one promise.
All right.
So, but just rest assured, say I go bring out album for now. I want to bring it out, so I'm working on it.
And this album go get plenty people where you go feature, or it go be just you, Asha?
Maybe no. I plan to feature people, but we'll see. I know one talk faster.
Yes.
Awesome. than myself, but I get a few people penciled down.
Okay.
To work with on this album.
All right. And quickly, what do you do to relax? How a typical day in the life of Asha? How it be? A day in the life of Asha, how it be like? Truly, I want to know. like
a typical day
in the morning, yes?
In the life of Asha.
Yes.
Me, I wake up at 4 a.m. So when I wake up at 4 a.m., I'll go pray. I just start to learn to pray again.
Okay.
So I go pray and maybe 30 minutes to talk to God a little bit. And then after that, I go right. I go right, till maybe, it depends on the day, like today, my off day. Otherwise, I go run maybe 30 minutes, 35 minutes, come back, do what I have to do, and get back into the studio. So, and then work a little bit, maybe before the studio, I will do my practice. Trumpet is my main instrument now. And then start my proper day at 11 in the studio. Boom, work till maybe 5 p.m., have my breakfast, and then go to bed at 9 p.m. So, yeah, pretty much.
Every day you must sleep at 9 p.m.?
Yeah, I just sleep at 9 p.m. and the target 9 p.m.
Oh, Oh
It
my
must not
goodness.
pass 9 p.m. Maximum 9:30. I don't go. Yeah.
Awesome. So yeah, now you don't hear a day in the life of Asha, right? Now, yes, we did that. Asha, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for making our
Thank
time
you.
today here with us. I go like Wetin go be your message to the young, the upcoming people where they also look up to you. And when next is your Lagos show anyway?
Well, nothing they planned for now,
Okay,
but we'll see how things go this year. I
okay.
really do want to do another show,
Mm-hmm.
um, but we'll let you know when something comes up.
Awesome. And also, Wetin go be your parting gift, your words to the young people, the young artists, people that are coming up right now.
Well, make them continue, make them no stop. They do it in they love. That be the most important thing. We'll just remember, say, one day the song no day here, the next day it day here. So if you no work, you no go come. You suppose water that seed. Just stay to it. Don't be in a hurry. Don't look other people race. Make you run your race. And don't worry, your time will come. And it will come big time.
Thank you so much, Asha. I'll say you join us on the spotlight. Oh my goodness. I don't want to make you go, but of course it has to come to this. We appreciate you. We love you big. And thank you for making good music. Thank you for who you are. All right.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Thank
Lagos, you
you.
go fit catch the
Chook Pounds. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.